Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the network error message 633. The modem is already in use or is not configured properly. Let's fix it guys. You just need to go to search menu and type registry editor. Click run as administrator guys and select yes. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the system, and now expand the current control set, and now expand the services, and you just need to search for RASMAN. Just need to click on it. At this point you just need to check the file path location guys. In my video I will zoom in, you just need to check it out. After that, on right side, required privileges, you just need to double click on it, and in here you just need to check my video description for this value data used in my video guys. You just need to copy it and paste it under the SeLoadDriverPrivilege. Paste it and select OK. And now you just need to, this error is fine, that's not a problem guys. Double click on it and check whether it is saved, and that's not a problem, and click on OK. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC guys, and after restarting your PC, your network error 633 has been resolved. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.